a lot of tenants call in with these problems. So just listen to us when we try to advise you.
Hi guys. This is pretty much Jonathan Daly.
Without getting into the confidential information, we have to keep things generally speaking, but in this tenant case, the tenants were not happy because they discovered that there was some things put in, such as a hot water heater, that were not put into code. There was some cross plumbing, etc. Didn't use a licensed plumber to install it, and was done without a permit, etc., etc. A lot of tenants call in with these problems. So here's my advice to you guys. That is between the landlord and the state. The government who institutes those codes requires the permit. That doesn't entitle you to not have to pay rent, not have to just completely makes the place uninhabitable, and you're able to just automatically terminate your lease and demand whatever you want because you're going to get them in big trouble. That's extortion. That's blackmail. However, will it help your case that they're doing things wrong? Absolutely. But as far as purely entitling you to an offset of rent, etc., that is not the case. So again, when you're a tenant and landlord's not doing things correctly, you can send them a notice, you can say you would like to terminate, but then it really comes down to negotiation and perhaps using that as leverage without actually committing blackmail or extortion. But when your attorney tells you that they're offering your security deposit back, last month's rent back, an additional month's rent credit, anything like that, and they advise that you take it because guess what? You're going to be spending more on attorney's fees than it's going to be worth. Just take it, get out of there and be done. You should do it, because then if you don't, that deal may go away and then you don't actually have a legal case to bring to court. And if that's the case, then what are you doing? You're not going to get your attorney's fees back anyway. So just listen to us when we try to advise you. Otherwise, you're just going to end up paying more money to us than what you're going to get out of the situation. And what was the point? So listen to your attorneys. That's all I'm going to say on that.
For the latest in case updates, legal tips, news, and politics, make sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and our other socials, and above all, subscribe on YouTube to get your dose of excellence on a daily basis.